How to turn off touch vibration, dialing vibration, the keyboard vibration, and charging vibration. This is all vibration settings for your Galaxy Watch 7 or the Watch 7 Ultra. To find your way to these awesome settings, go ahead and use a quick access by pulling down from the very top and tapping on the settings icon right there. Once you tap on that one time, that'll take you into the main settings as soon as that happens, and it'll go down to where it says sound and vibration. Once you enter here, you'll see all these different settings, and you want to go down until you see the part that says system vibration, this one right here. As you tap on that, you will see touch interactions, basically with some touch feedback, you'll get some vibration. And if you don't want that, turn that off. When you're dialing, you'll turn that off. The Samsung keyboard and the charging vibration. And you'll notice now if that's off here, basically you're not going to feel any vibration for the touch interaction. And when you turn it back on, you swipe back, you'll feel that vibration once again. And it's up to you to turn these on and off at any given time, like in tab.